So hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Director Eric Goro, and today in our Know How To series we are going to help you to recover your KRA PIN. As you know, your KRA PIN is more essential, especially when you want a government service. When the government requires you to have a KRA PIN when you're opening a bank account, when you're applying titles, basically any government service you need to have a KRA PIN. And so I expect you to watch till the end, and we'll make this easy for you. So basically what you do, you come here, it's iTax Kenya. So you type under the Kenya Revenue Authority. Once you're there, they'll ask you for enter PIN or user ID. So basically what they're asking you for is your KRA PIN. So you come and type your KRA PIN. For individual, it always starts with an a couple of numbers, and then it ends with a letter. So you be careful when you're typing your KRA PIN. If you miss even a single number, it will give you the wrong information and it will take you back. So you hit continue. They ask you for your password. Type in your password. No need to be in a rush. Just take your time instead of making mistakes. Then you keep going back to the same process. So they'll ask you for some mathematics here. That will be, then you log in. So after you've logged in, they'll have their user interface here. There's home, registration, returns, payments, assessments. So basically what you're going to do, we'll cover everything that's there for another time, but since today we are going to show you how to recover your KRA PIN or your KRA certificate. You come here to the registration, and what they have is a main PIN, other registration. So you come here to the reprint PIN certificate. You select, then they'll have a lot of information here. Reprint PIN certificate. They'll ask you reprint certificate applicant type, or ours is for the taxpayer. You're the taxpayer. Then confirm it's your name. Then you simply hit submit. Do you want to submit the data? You say yes, and simply there you have it. PIN certificate has been generated successfully. Click here to download. You just click there, and here you are. It will go automatically to your downloads. Then you can check it. So I hope after you're done, maybe most of you are using a cyber cafe. Make sure you always log out for when you're in any account you log in for your security purposes. You don't want someone to go there and steal your taxes, so you log out. Yes, and your certificate will be directly in your downloads. So thank you guys. I hope we've been of help, and in case you have any questions, you can always ask us in your comment sections. You can always refer us to another video that you would want us to help you with. And thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and always like.